Hi, I'm Keith Sorum with the Keith Sorum team at Keller Williams, and this is the Real Estate Market Report for Glendale, California for January 2009. We use a market index to track the market activity. Above 1.2 is the seller's market, between 1.2 and 0.8 is neutral, below 0.8 is a buyer's market. We've been in a buyer's market since 2006. Probably not going to change soon. We have a total of 0.39 as our market index in December. It dropped 13 points to 0.26. So took a pretty big drop, obviously in reflection in part to the overall economic activity. We had 92 listings come on the market this month compared to 42 last month versus over 130 a year ago. So we have seen a shift in new listings. A lot of those are REOs and short sales. New pending listings, 37 listings entered escrow, down a little bit from last month, and oddly enough, we had 20 new listings come on the market, or go pending rather, in 2008. That gave us a pending ratio of 0.4. Last month it was over 100. So last year it was 0.13. So although I think the market's taken a step back because of the economy, we're still moving forward compared to last year. Our listing inventory of 318 listings is up compared to 248 last month. There were over 390 listings on the market in 2008. So then again, it's sort of like 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Sold listings, we had 45 listings sell, down from 55 last month, and we had 44 last year. So even with the economic news that we're getting, we still managed to close almost the same number of escrows compared to last year, which I think is pretty amazing. Average sale price, one of the reasons that we're closing these sales, 521,000. It declined from 550 last month compared to last year. It's a 22.9% drop. Now, one of the interesting tools we use to look at market value is the price per square foot. 311, down from 336 last month, down 16.9% from 2008. So there's no question that values dropped, and I will say that working a lot with buyers and sellers, what we are seeing is a lot of these REOs and short sales are not in very good condition. They have what we would call deferred maintenance. And because the properties aren't in as good condition, buyers obviously aren't going to pay as much. So about 80% of the inventory is probably composed of either short sales or REOs. That means that if it has peeling paint and dead grass and looks like it needs a lot of work, it's going to sell for less. So when you're looking at buying a home, the 2 primary costs that you see are obviously the price of the property and interest rates. And you should be calling your congresspeople. Let them know what's going on. Rates have started going up since January. You as the buyer have got some great values right now on the market. But interest rates have gone up for the last 4 weeks. So you as the buyer need to decide if now is the time to buy. Prices may go down, but interest rates look like they're going up. So if you have any questions, and you probably will, please feel free to call me. My name is Keith Sorum. You can reach me at 1-888-284-2056 or visit me online at www.beautifulglendalehomes.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Hi, I'm Keith Sorum with the Keith Sorum team at Keller Williams, and this is the market report for Glendale, California for January 2009 for people thinking of selling their home. We use a market index to track the market activity. Above 1.2 is a seller's market, between 1.2 and 0.8 is a neutral market, and below 0.8 is a buyer's market. And we've been in a buyer's market since 2006. Probably is not going to change. New listings, we had 92 listings come on the month compared to 42 last month and 150 last year. So we are seeing a drop in new listing inventory. Pending sales, we had 37 listings going to escrow compared to 42 last month and only 20 in 2008. Our pending ratio dropped from last month. Last month it was over 100. It was 0.4, but it was above last year's 0.13. So when new listings come on the market, the ones that are good are going in escrow. Listing inventory currently is about 318 listings compared to 248 listings last month. In 2008, we had 390 listings. So it's sort of like with the economic news we've had lately, the market took 2 steps forward and 1 step back. We've dropped a little bit, but we're ahead of last year in most cases. Now sales 45 units closed, down from 55 last month compared to 44 last year. So even as bad as all the economic news is, the market's still chugging along. The average price, 521,000, declined from 550 last month, down 22.9% from last year. Part of that could be the sales mix. I will tell you, we're seeing a lot more REOs and short sales finally closing escrow, and a lot of those properties have deferred maintenance. So if put yourself in the shoes of the buyer, you walk in and you see peeling paint, worn carpet, dead grass, you're going to pay less. And your job when you're selling your home is to get the top price possible. And what we're seeing is, because of the inventory that's out there, you really need to prepare your home properly for market. You need to have it marketed in a way that exposes the things that buyers value so they see them, and it needs to be priced right. If you have questions, and you probably will, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Keith Sorm. You can reach me at 1-888-284-2056, or you can certainly visit me online at www.beautifulglendalehomes.com. This is Keith Sorm for the Keith Sorm team at Keller Williams, signing off. Have a great day.